gobble. And then slow morning. Hopefully we get something.
It's gotta have a beard, okay, Casey? That first one's a hen. That one's a hen, but the second two, this one closest to is a Jake. He's a big Jake. Don't move. Don't shoot the first one. Safety off. Shoot that. Shoot him. Shoot him. I didn't get it because I was on you guys. They swung too far. Hey. Hey, why couldn't you? I don't understand. Hey. That's a poke too.
How many yards is that?
A bunch. That's 45 yards. Well, 40 yards anyway.
Hopefully I have 40 yards.
Sorry for the footage, folks, but they circled us, and eyes on them, and she couldn't shoot. And, oh, but what a fun hunt we've had. We've been beat up for 2 days. Bird in, bird down. Gobble, gobble, boom. Volume 3 is starting off good.
Sunday, and we were just sitting here and calling the turkeys up, and Jake heard something coming up the hill, and there were about 4 jakes and 2 hens, and one was at 10 yards and I didn't shoot it, so I shot this one at 35 yards, and I kicked the heck out of the wing. Bone sticking out. It's a big one though, so good. This is On the Edge Outdoors.
Second day youth season. I want to thank Stanley Brown, because these birds were not working at all. It was tough. Yesterday was terrible. We just sitting here and started burning up the old poison call and lured in a hen, a few jakes, and worked out very good.
we went hunting and these two coyotes scared away our turkeys, and then we got two groups of ones over there, and then they just ran away.
Alright, I'm out here with Christian Hadley. We've been out here for 2 days. We've been on turkeys all weekend long. Yesterday morning was on until about 11:30 in the morning. We had a coyote come bust out a flock of turkeys. We got back on some more. It rained last night. The turkeys flew down a little bit later this morning, but we was in perfect setup. We had a nice strutter come out with 2 hens. Coyotes came out again, scared them off. Had some jakes come out, and before we had to leave, we heard one gobble just straight to the east of us. We got to get back to town, go to church, but I think that Christian had a good time, learned a lot of lessons, and got to hear a lot of turkeys gobble. We'd like to thank Shane Seaton for letting us come out here and hunt, and Poison Turkey Calls. Jake Phillips and his daughter got one this morning, so hopefully they got good footage on their camera, and we'll see what happens. Stay with us on the Edge Outdoors Hunting.
got him.
That right there is what it's about. It's Easter morning. Carly shot her first longbeard. He comes strutting. Adversity. Yesterday we got beat up. Tell him about it, Carly. Tell him. That is great. That is awesome, folks. That's the way we start in Gobble Gobble Boom, Volume 3. I'm going to guarantee you one thing about that bird. He'll have some hooks. We entered the World Show last night. I'm mounting Carly's bird for the World Show, May 7th.
That was a good shot.
That was
good
an awesome
shot.
That was, Carly, that was a shot that Daddy wouldn't have been able to make.
Yeah, he was
rocked
moving.
him.
That's
Carly, you smashed him.
Yeah, he's.
Hey, what do you think about turkey hunting, babe?
That was awesome.
Okay, here we are. We got Carly's bird. We've taken all the pictures and everything. We come in yesterday morning and set up probably 200 yards from where we're at, and the bird just hammered. We had hens all around us, and somebody hunting on some adjoining property decided to try to play a little sneak on the birds, and that doesn't work when you walk across an open field, so it kind of bumped the birds a little bit. So we had a rough day yesterday. We hunted hard. Didn't hear a bird gobble after 8:30 in the morning. Carly done a good job. She stayed right with us, hunted to 1 o'clock, and just didn't have any luck. So she wasn't sure she wanted to come today. It's Easter morning, and but we got up out of bed at 4:30 this morning, headed down here, set up what we did yesterday. I wasn't able to roost birds last night, so we just come in kind of blind, figuring they'd be in the area, and I'll be darned if they wasn't 50 yards from the truck on some other property that I can hunt here. So we kind of made a mad dash here a little bit late to get set up, and we couldn't get any closer to him, so we had to set up in a spot where you don't like to set up, right off the road here. And we had a hen pitch down. She come flying through the trees about 10 yards and landed on her decoy spread. And I just told Carly, I said, whatever you do, honey, don't move. And about that time, the bird gobbled in the bottom, and she walked off. So I cut at him a little bit with the nasty hen that's in the Turkey Thug calls. And he gobbled in the bottom. Jason said it's over. So we just kept looking, and here he come. He come right up this little dirt road. He got by a brush pile, so we had to reposition. He come around a brush pile and strutted, and he come up here about 15 yards, and we couldn't shoot. Jason had a real good view of him. We had some brush and little trees in our way. And he popped his head up and clucked a couple times. I told Carly, I said, you got to shoot. She said, his head's moving, I can't shoot. I said, honey, he's going to run off. You got to shoot. So he got out there about 35 yards. I yelped a little bit, tried to get him to stop, and he kept going. And I said, Carly, you're going to have to shoot. And about that time, boom, she rolled him and shot him at 35 yards. And I tell you what, she put the hammer on him. She done an awesome job. Like I said, it's Easter morning, and Gobble Gobble Boom Volume 3 starting out right. And there's no other way to start it than taking the youth and getting them interested. So I'm thankful that I could take my daughter turkey hunting, and I'm thankful for Landowner. And On the Edge Outdoors, Quaker Boy Game Calls. See you next time, and stay tuned.